Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Back in the kitchen again, guys. As you can see by the look of this delicious recipe in front of you guys, this is what I'm going to prepare today. Some jerk chicken, vegetable, avocado, egg salad, guys. Delicious. So sit down, relax and enjoy. Guys, this is my chicken breast. I have 2 pieces of chicken breast here, and right here I have my paprika, Larry seasoned salt, some cayenne pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, some thyme and paprika. And I'm gonna add some Italian herb seasoning. I'm gonna pour some olive oil on my chicken on both sides. You can use any oil you want. I'm not going to use my hand, and make sure all the olive oil go on both sides, all over the chicken. Next I'm going to mix up all of these seasonings, combine them together. Use my fingertip and spread the season all over the chicken on both sides. Now I'm putting on my gloves. I'm going to put some jerk seasoning on the chicken. And put it all over, front to back. What I'm going to do now, I'm just going to add my Italian herb seasoning. I like the glaze that it gives the chicken. Look at this. I'm going to put it on both sides. What I'm going to put in the oven, I'm going to jerk the chicken in. I'm going to put some olive oil in my container here. Chicken. The reason why I put this olive oil in there is to the chicken moist and nice. Okay? 30 minutes, I'm gonna do 15 minutes on one side and turn it over 15 minutes time, or 30 minutes in the oven. Okay guys, oven is ready now guys. I'm gonna get all of this ready, wash and clean up all of this. Okay guys, my hot water is ready. I'm gonna boil 4 eggs. So I'm gonna pour my hot water on my eggs. Never put cold water on the eggs. Always use hot water to get a perfect boiled eggs. Okay guys? So I use my kettle, add my water, and then I put it in, throw it in the pot. So I'm boiling 4 eggs. In here, guys, I'm just going to sprinkle some salt. So guys, this is the juice from the jerk chicken. What I'm going to do with this juice, I'm going to put it all over the salad, chicken. I'm just going to put some raisin, a little bit of sweetness. You're gonna love this, guys. Check it out. Try it out. And tell me all about it in the comment box. Okay, guys? I'm just gonna put some dry parsley just for presentation. Look at this, guys. Fresh, raw, healthy jerk chicken, avocado, egg, vegetable salad. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Yes, man. Try this recipe, guys. You're gonna love it. I'm going to put all the ingredients in the description box, guys, so check it out. I'm going to put the oven time in the description box also, guys. So comment and tell me all about this recipe, guys. If you want to lose weight, if you want to stay healthy, you can try this recipe, guys. This is the recipe for you guys. Jerk chicken, avocado, egg, salad. Very good raw salad, guys. Subscribe, share, and comment, guys, and tell me all about this new recipe, guys. Look up on yourself, and God bless you. Bye.